this video I am going to show you how you can create an extension board at home. The best part is creating it from the old box. Hi, I am Hamza and this is my YouTube channel where I share my life with you. I have a lot of interest and always learning new things, so expect to see a variety of videos. If you are looking an extension board at home, you will love this video. Keep watching. The first you have to do is find an old electricity box. We are going to convert that box into extension board. Next, check the board for any fault. If any error in my board, it's sparking, so I solved it by thoroughly cleaning it. Next, we will customize it with paint. You can use any color and any style you want. I don't want to record the painting process. I don't know why I didn't record it. So moving on, now we have to join a cord to this board. So you can use cord of any length for how much you want. So our board is ready. If you like this video, to make sure subscribe my YouTube channel right now. Click the link in the subscribe button below the video. Also, if you want to see a visit to fair in Pakistani village, watch that card video. It's free. Now I want to turn it over to you. Are you gonna create this or not? Let me know this by leaving a comment below right now.